Hi, I'm Corey Moss with Rave Publications. I am here at InfoComm 2016 at the Vyopta booth in the Innovation Showcase. I am here with Jacob Borgeson. How are you, Jacob?
Good. Thanks for coming.
No problem at all. So what we're talking about here is Vyopta, and if we look at the message up there, a single system to monitor and improve the performance of your collaboration network. And I guess that statement kind of says it all, but you're going to fill us in a little more, Jacob, on what that means. So go ahead and tell us about exactly what that means in terms of what Vyopta does.
Okay. Well, yeah, as you said, we're here with our single system, so it consists of collecting data from all of your various collaboration technologies, from Cisco, Polycom, and a whole bunch of others, and merging that data and presenting it both in real-time and historical analytics. So our real-time monitoring is designed to help IT support teams troubleshoot video calls faster, in minutes instead of days, and without having to wait for an angry call from a customer coming in and ruining their day. And then our real-time, or our historical analytics, then takes that same data and allows you to make better decisions with data for adoption, for improving quality of user experience, finding those top 10 reasons why calls fail, and being able to fix them so that your calls are better in the future. And then finally, growing and making sure you're effectively using all your resources that you have. So endpoint utilization rates, call capacity and licensing and all those things. So we bring all the data together and make it really simple for any user to figure out what's going on with their collaboration and improve it.
So let me get this straight. You're looking to reduce the angry calls for the integrators, right?
Correct. So really we just want to make sure that people collaborate more. And one of the barriers to that is definitely the complexity of managing some of these collaboration networks. And that's really where we come in with our one single tool to bring all the data together.
Right, and you know, I said that, of course, and of course, that's what everybody wants to avoid. They want to avoid that customer call. They want everything to work right, work seamlessly, and so with Vyopta, that's exactly what you're saying. But we're also talking about data, and data is also, data analytics is big discussion, monitoring, big discussion as well. So why don't we look over here, tell us what we're looking at.
Okay, so what you can see here is our real-time monitoring tool, and it's very simple for you to figure out what exactly is going on. So which endpoints are up or down, which infrastructure is down, how much license capacity and call control capacity are you using, and then finally you can look at actual calls that are happening. So here you can see these calls are having some fair quality issues. I can immediately see which call is having a problem, then I can click and see which particular participant is having an issue, and then click again and I get all the details about that call from audio, video, presentation, receive and transmit channels, so that you can quickly identify where that call is having an issue and then do something about it. So maybe that's on the receive side, so it's represented that their network at the far end is having an issue. So then you'd say maybe move closer to your Wi-Fi router if you're calling in from home. Or if it's on my network, then I can send it to my network team and say, hey, I'm seeing some packet loss issues on this CEO's call, and I'd like you to check it out. And that makes it just very easy, and it makes it so you can fix a problem in just a few minutes.
Okay.
And then,
So, yep, go ahead.
And then that kind of feeds in, or so, can't always watch the dashboard all the time, so we also have alerts that are configurable, send you an email, and can even integrate with your help desk software, like ServiceNow, Zendesk, or Remedy, something like that. So it really just combines into your existing IT workflows. And then all of that comes into our historical analytics tool. So this is more of like, how are my systems being used, who's using them, how much are they using them, what kind of calls are they making, is it WebRTC, is it in the room, is it through software, all those different things, so you can make whole comprehensive decisions about what you do with video conferencing and how to improve it. Excuse me.
Okay, so I tell you what I want to say here is in terms of being a part of my top 10 disruptive solutions, here's my question. So, you've been named. Tell me, in terms of being disruptive, how you feel your company is that in terms of the unified communications collaboration space and what you do in that space, as well as for the integrators and the impact for the end users.
Well, really what we're doing is we're disrupting the industry because we're making it easy for anybody to make a data-driven decision about what they do with video, and make video much easier for everybody to use so that overall people collaborate more, especially video conferencing. So really to help the industry grow and to hit that next phase. Video conferencing has been commercially available for over 30 years, but we're just now seeing that adoption take off in the industry with cameras and screens everywhere. And so we want to enable that, and we want to make it easy for IT teams to manage that growth.
All right, well, that's good enough, I've got to tell you. So again, I'm here with Jacob Borgeson, Vyopta, in the Innovation Showcase, and they've been selected as one of my disruptive top 10 here at InfoComm 2016. Jacob, thank you so much for spending time here.
Thank you, Corey. It's a pleasure to be nominated.
Okay, well, thank you.